Hello, Pawło.
Hello.
It was really nice to meet you today in your field and in your soil. And I would like to know what are your goals? Do you want to improve in your soils?
Okay. Nice to meet you at my farm, but I will speak in Polish if I
Okay.
can. Okay.
Yeah, of course.
Witam wszystkich serdecznie. Razem z firmą Gaiago znajdujemy się w dole, tak? W dole na plantacji malin, kwatera Cascade Harvest. Kolega pyta, jakie mamy oczywiście problemy i co byśmy chcieli uzyskać na naszych działkach. Znajdujemy się na Lubelszczyźnie, w miejscu, gdzie skałą macierzystą jest skała wapienna, dokładnie to kreda. I mamy oczywiście warstwę tą podglebia, gdzie jest glina, znajduje się. I jak widzicie tutaj na przestrzeni jest warstwa próchniczna i gdzieś w tym miejscu here's very strong level.
Yes.
Mamy warstwę nieprzepuszczalną, podeszwę późną. Jak widać, ta wysokość nie jest zbyt imponująca. Tak więc naszym celem jest poprawa o przepuszczalności w tym miejscu z prostej względu, że dodatkowo na tej działce mamy takie miejsce, gdzie tutaj woda spływa i nam zalega na działce, w związku właśnie z tymi twardymi miejscami. No i naszym celem jest właśnie poprawa penetracji gleby przez wodę, zniszczenie tej złej struktury, tak żeby system korzeniowy mógł głębiej sięgać. So I would like to get deeper roots.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because we have many problems with water. We have places on this parcel where water, we have water for a long time.
Yes, sure.
And after that we have a lot of problem with disease of roots.
Yes, normal.
So, have you got something for
Yes, Nutrigeo work on biological balance and also have a look in your soil analysis will be the solution. Because you are, as you said, we have a really compacted zone here, and when you have, as you say, a lot of rain, the soil has a lot of rain air here, and you need more porosity on this. And to have more porosity on this, you need to have more good fungi on the soil. And this good fungi will help you to transform, this kind of organic matter to humus, and also with the development of fungi you will have a micro porosity on your soils. We can see some roots here at around 1 meter, 90 centimeters, but we have just small roots because they go to the old roots, but only. And if we increase porosity in all the profile, you will have more roots, so more feed for your raspberry, more water, and also a deeper, a better penetration of rain on the soil and a quicker penetration, so less hydromorphy on the soil. But it will, to be honest with you, it will take a little bit of time because we need to, in this kind of soil, we need to reactivate and feed good fungi. So maybe you will have, if we make another profile in 2 or 3 years, this line will be cut,
Yeah. Yes.
and you will have a better mix of the two soils, and also really plenty roots in all the profile. And what I also observe that you have no calcium here, but a lot of calcium there. So
Yes.
so you need to have a lot of roots to absorb calcium here and to feed the plants.
So after the application, after 2-3 years, we can observe that this level will get more soft.
Yes, we will get more soft, a better decomposition of organic matter also, because as we saw, I don't know yet where, we have no transformation of organic matter. We show this on the profile before, and with microporosity, we create microporosity on this part of the profile. So you need biological activity and life and more life on your soil to help you to cut this really hard zone on the soils.
Which way will be better if we use your product before planting the raspberry, or we can use it on open field and during exploitation of plantation?
You need to use both. In fact, before planting, you know, a few months before, if it's possible, you know, and after that, you need to spray once a year the products.
And once a year at spring or in summer, autumn,
No,
every moment.
my advice is when you sow mushroom on the forest, the most probably it's really often in September, end of August, September. Your soil.
But which mushroom? You know, we start mushrooms in Poland in August, I think so.
Okay, so in the end of August, when you have humidity on your soils and good temperature, it's really, for me, it's the best time to spray, because you will have a better humidification and so a quicker development of good fungi, of good fungi.
So is it mean that after application I could find mushrooms on my plantation?
Yes,
Yes?
Maybe you will find. That's also depend on
how
the.
big?
That's also depend of the quantity of fungi you use on the plants.
Okay.
But many times it's funny because many times we observe fungi on the field. Okay, I cannot promise you will see plenty fungi in your soil, but you could.
Powiesz, faktycznie my tu możemy zobaczyć, że tutaj systemu korzeniowego malin w zasadzie my nie widzimy. One gdzieś delikatnie pojedyncze korzenie przerosły podeszwę późną, pewnie znalazły jakieś kanaliki. Because in this place, this place is very hard.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you're right. In a sandy soil, globalin will be very helpful because it's like a glue. It's like a glue, and you will aggregate small sandy particles on the soils. So it's what we show with university in France. We make a lot of study with Nutugeo, with university. We have scientific publication, and we show that we really improve all the fungi, all the mycorrhizae, and growth on the soil, and also the quantity of glomalin will be improved after only a few weeks. That's what is really happiness, really enthusiastic, is to show that the soil is really alive. It's really alive. You know, it's a big part of our world biodiversity, and we will be able to activate the good part of life on the soil, and good fungi, humic fungi are really a good part. And they are really useful to produce and to have a good health plants and production.
How do you think if we will make application in August of this product on this parcel?
Yes.
When we can observe results of this application? Next year?
Yes, next year. It's really hard, so we really need to have time that the product works, but we will begin to observe, on this kind of organic matter. Normally we will see after a few months, some mycorrhizae and some fungi, rice fungi on this kind of organic matter. It will be the first good signs of development of good fungi, humic fungi on your soil.
So if we dig big hole next year, we can observe some differences.
Yes. If you want, it will be a pleasure for me to come again and see your soil. It will be really a pleasure. Maybe.
Tak, jak Państwo widzą, nowy temat pojawił się w ramach projektu Majowe Faktory. Zajmujemy się tym razem glebą, bardzo głęboką glebą. Liczymy na to, że za rok po aplikacji, kiedy wykopiemy nową odkrywkę glebową, będziemy mogli zobaczyć różnicę i Wam to pokażę.